What we're seeing here is probably one of the ultimate Plymouth Hemis ever made. It's the 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX convertible. It's a special order by a Chrysler employee, so you knew that there were certain things done that were unusual, and one of them was the hood. It was a special hood, and also the one 4-barrel carburetor. And here's the rundown. It's fully documented, it appears. This is at the MecumKissimmee auction. Just take a look at it. It's amazing. Only one of 17 ever made. Beautiful, very light, pale yellow with a black interior. Red line tires. Looking inside, looks perfect. And this was done by Dave Farrow at Totally Auto in Trumbauersville, Pennsylvania. So you from Pennsylvania might in fact know of this individual and the shop where it was done. Not a single flaw, I would say. It evidently saw some action on the drag strip. What a car. Now we're going to have a look under the hood. Fortunately, we're able to do that. And there it is. What a beauty. Everything perfect, including the hose clamps. Period perfect.